Want to make the most of your kitchen space without losing style or function? From clever upgrades to hidden storage, these clever designs help you stay organized and make every inch count. Let's check out these ingenious kitchen designs and storage ideas. Why settle for one boring water stream when you can have 3? This smart kitchen faucet gives you options: a steady stream for filling pots, a powerful spray for clearing dirty dishes, and a soft waterfall for delicate rinsing. Switching modes is as easy as twisting the nozzle or pressing a button. The 360-degree swivel means you can reach every corner of the sink and even rotate it up for tall pots. Best part? You can install it yourself in minutes. No plumber, no tools. Just twist it on, click and done. No more balancing dishes on the counter or laying out soggy towels. This over-the-sink dish rack turns your drying chaos into calm. It's got 3 tiers of organized space for plates, bowls, cups, and more. And even comes with a cover to keep dust out and your dishes protected while they dry. With smart add-ons like a knife rack, cutting board holder, and 6 handy hooks, everything has its place. You can pick from 3 sizes to get the perfect fit for your sink. Built with sleek stainless steel, it's not just practical. It actually looks good in your kitchen too. Those top cabinets you never use? Now they're your new favorite storage spot. These clever pull-down shelves make high spaces easy to reach, even if you're not tall or just don't feel like stretching. With a simple tug, the shelf glides down smoothly, bringing spices, utensils, or containers right to your hands. They come in all shapes and sizes, from flat platforms to built-in organizers. You can install them yourself in most cabinets. No power tools, no problem. Best of all, they free up counter space while giving you up to 50% more storage where you least expected it. There are 2 kinds of kitchen people: those who stack their pots and those who pull them out like a pro. This pull-out pot and pan hanger fits neatly inside your cabinet and glides out with a gentle tug. No more digging or clanking, just grab what you need. You'll never bend or stretch to reach your cookware again. Or take your storage to the next level with a vertical rack that makes smart use of empty space. It's all about keeping things visible, accessible, and organized without hogging your counter. This kitchen with circular design is a smart solution for getting the most out of small spaces. It packs in all the must-haves, like a sink, an induction cooktop, and a built-in exhaust system, without skimping on storage. With a variety of drawers and shelves, there's plenty of room to keep things tidy. One of the coolest parts of this kitchen is its rotating shelves. Each one spins a full 360 degrees on its own, making it super easy to grab whatever you need and keep things organized. This setup makes cooking and cleaning way more convenient. Calling this kitchen modern doesn't quite cut it. It's got a futuristic vibe through and through. With its smooth, sleek design and high-tech features, it's a stylish and practical upgrade for any modern home. This is a standout element that offers a variety of system options. Softer than a feather in motion, the upper lift-up doors and lower sliding doors move quietly and smoothly, revealing the full setup of the back panel. This patented unit can be customized to suit different needs, even making room for a cooker hood if needed. The combination of spaciousness and the gentle glow from the light panel brings a sense of airiness, tidiness, and a refined, clean-lined interior. It's time to bring the future into your kitchen with this Waterfall Workstation sink. This eye-catching sink has taken the internet by storm with its luxurious rectangular shape, heavy-duty build, and honeycomb embossed design topped with a sleek nano-coated finish. It's packed with smart features like the battery-free digital LED temperature display, a super convenient cup rinser, and the unique piano button that lets you easily switch between waterfall and faucet modes. With its perfect blend of style and innovation, it's no surprise this sink is being called the sink of the future. Next on our list are the clever storage solutions from SuperiorCabinets. These come with a smart lift-up and pull-down system that brings high-up items right to you. No more tiptoeing to reach the top shelf. There are also well-organized drawers to neatly store all your cooking tools, plus a separate section just for knives. It's a great setup for homes with young kids too, since everything stays safely tucked away instead of being left out in the open. The cabinets are super convenient to use. Some of them slide out so you won't have to crouch down and dig around. The built-in garbage system is another great feature. There are even more thoughtful touches, like hidden drawers built into the side gaps and clever corner storage. Every bit of space has been maximized in these cabinets, so you can fit more without taking up extra room. Up next is a pull-out larder, a compact vertical pantry that glides in and out with ease. Each sturdy shelf can hold up to 18 kilograms, so you can really load them up. With all the baskets included, you need to stock up on a ton of groceries just to fill the whole thing. This smart pop-up storage system is a great way to keep your kitchen looking tidy. With a simple press of a button, it quietly lifts up from the countertop to reveal 2 or 3 roomy shelves, perfect for storing appliances, utensils, or pantry items. When you're done, it glides back down and disappears into the counter, leaving your surfaces clear and clutter-free. Fully electric for smooth operation, it's an ideal fit for modern kitchens that value space, practicality, and sleek design. Up next, we've got Compact Kitchens by mobilspazio. These smart units are motion activated and automatically open as you approach. No hands needed. There's also a built-in stand for your screen, which is super helpful if you're following a recipe while cooking. And that's just the beginning. Check out all the other clever features packed into this sleek setup. Next, we've got the kitchen island from Eggersmann. A cluttered kitchen can throw off your cooking game, and for those who need a tidy workspace to stay focused, this island is a game changer. It features a custom drawer insert that's a dream for any kitchen pro, keeping tools organized and within easy reach. Unlike typical drawers where everything gets jumbled, this one has adjustable compartments so each item stays in place. And just wait until you check out the next drawer. You can safely store even your most delicate glassware without worrying about chips or cracks. This sleek modern kitchen is packed with practical features. One standout is the iMove system, which lets you easily reach items on the highest shelves. No stretching needed. There's also the servo drive wall unit that opens cabinets for you, even when your hands are full. Integrated LED lighting adds a stylish and modern touch that's become a must-have in today's kitchens. One of the highlights is the countertop, which includes a built-in display space for utensils and drawers on both sides for extra storage. There's also a clever magic corner cabinet that makes it easy to access those tricky blind spots under the counter. Under the sink, you'll find pull-out compartments for sponges, cleaners, and even a bin to keep things neat. It also comes equipped with a dishwasher and an Avaline socket conveniently placed above the worktop. When space is tight, the all-in-one compact kitchen is the way to go. To start, the table slides out to give you extra room. And underneath, you'll find a neat little setup with a sink and stovetop. Now let's talk about the drawer floors. They're cleverly designed with a stacking method that lets you store everything from fruit and spices to utensils. Need to reach the bottom of those deep drawers? Just lift off the top layer for easy access. And don't miss the bottom drawer. It has a built-in stand so you can neatly stack all your plates. With a dedicated spot for everything, this compact kitchen makes staying organized a breeze. Filograno Kitchens offers a range of smart, space-saving solutions designed for everyday convenience. One standout feature is the pull-down system, which lowers items to eye level, making smart use of upper cabinet space. The corner cabinets are another clever addition, giving you easy access to those hard-to-reach spots and boosting overall storage. Plus, the pull-out drawers make grabbing your daily ingredients, tools, and appliances quick and effortless. Everything is designed to cut down on clutter and make your kitchen more accessible, turning everyday cooking into a smoother, more enjoyable experience. Let's check out the Wicker storage baskets. If wire baskets aren't your thing, this is a more stylish, rustic alternative. With a weight capacity of around 20 kilograms, they're perfect for storing a full week's worth of groceries. Next up is the silver cutlery tray, a simple yet super handy addition that saves you from reorganizing your utensils every week. The built-in compartments might even encourage your kids to keep things tidier. Now, one of the most overlooked spots in the kitchen is the area under the sink. That's where the UND sink storage drawer comes in. It makes the most of that hidden space and gives you a convenient spot to stash your cleaning supplies. No need to go far, just slide it open and grab your dish soap when you need it.